Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'm going to go over the detailed pricing feature with custom pricing. Detailed pricing allows you to create discounts on a per item, per customer group basis using a percentage discount, price discount, or set fixed price. You can specify a discount for each product or variance for each customer tag in a table view, as opposed to offering a general discount across multiple items in a price group or in a store-wide tag sale. If you have a lot of unique discounts you want to set across your product catalog, you can utilize the import tool to apply your discounts in bulk across your products in the detailed pricing page. Please note that detailed pricing is only available on the premium plan and custom pricing. More information on using the import tool and the features in each plan and custom pricing can be found on our Help Center. From within the custom pricing admin, navigate to detailed pricing to access this feature. Using the filters at the top of the page, you can narrow down the list of products or use the next and previous arrows at the bottom of the page to locate products. After locating a product you'd like to discount, select the discount type in the first column and set the discount value for each tag. If you would like to apply quantity break discounts, click on the plus icon in the desired tag, enter your quantity break discounts, and click Confirm. Once you are finished with applying your discounts, click Save Detailed Pricing at the bottom of the page. And that's all there is to it. For more information on detailed pricing, please visit our Help Center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.